How to make a run or ride private on Strava. Strava doesn't have the best privacy reputation and, by default, all your activities are public and visible to everyone. However, you can change the privacy settings on any activity. We suggest you follow our guide to locking down Strava's privacy settings so that, at most, only your approved followers can see your activities. However, if you want to feature on Strava's segment leaderboards, your activities, or at least your best ones, must be public. Here's how to manage it. To manage Strava privacy settings on a computer, head to the Strava website. View the activity you want to change the privacy settings for, and click the edit icon, the pencil, in the sidebar. Under Privacy Controls, change Who Can See to Everyone, Followers, or Only You, depending on what option you want. In the Strava app for iPhone and Android, navigate to the activity you want to change the privacy setting for. Tap the Settings icon, 3 little dots. Then tap Edit. Scroll down to Privacy Controls, and change Who Can See to Everyone, Followers, or Only You, depending on who you want to be able to see your run. If you've used Strava for a while and want to bulk edit the privacy settings of your past activities, you can only do it through a web browser. Head to Strava and go to Settings greater than Privacy. Under Edit Past Activities, select Activity Visibility, then click Next. Confirm your choice and Strava will update all the activities' privacy settings at once. If there are any activities you want public so you can be featured in a leaderboard, you can reedit the privacy settings individually. By default, Strava shares a lot of information you might not be aware you're sharing. Make sure you use the privacy controls available to keep things under control. Text source, howtogeek.com.